When you fly with Kespry, you take to the sky and bring back powerful, accurate data. You produce intelligent maps so your business can succeed. You use the latest technology to increase efficiency and stay competitive. The new Kespry Drone 2S system maximizes your accuracy, allowing you to do more with your data with greater confidence.
We needed a full topographic survey of the entire area so they could do their initial cut and fill, their initial engineering design. And it was a wreck of an area. It was an old pit. It had been disused for years. We could have done that with our scanner system. It would have taken a meeting to plan where we were going to drive roads with a dozer, a few days to drive those roads, a full day of driving the scanner around to cover everything. We used the drone instead, and we were on site for 2 hours total. And that's when it really struck me that this is a lot easier.
The Kespry drone is reliable and accurate. The quadcopter design avoids obstacles and collects high-quality data in even the harshest industrial environments. Extended range allows up to 500 acres in one survey session, with a solid 30 minutes for each battery. The new Drone 2S system uses a single local base station with PPK technology to deliver survey-grade accuracy. Receiver setup is quick. The entire system is autonomous. Once flight data has been collected, satellite log files are pushed to the Kespry cloud for post-processing of both datasets. You get high-resolution ortho-imagery and accurate survey-grade data in hours, not days.
Having the ability to use an integrated GPS is going to make that nicer. And then, of course, the increased tolerance to wind and speed of survey, area of coverage are all going to be very helpful.
And so it's been real accurate as far as what we've seen. You know, we had a pile that we were in question about last month, and it was spot on as far as inventory calculation. So as far as the accuracy, it's great. We want to take it to the next level and not just do inventories, but do mine planning.
The fully autonomous Kespry system allows you to achieve survey-grade accuracy through an iPad application. You plan and fly the mission right off the iPad. The data is automatically and securely transferred to the cloud. You're given instant 3D analysis and export for civil survey designs.
It used to be 3 to 5 people involved in an operation to get decent survey data. It often take hours and hours, and now it's one person in 30 minutes.
With the Kespry system, the data transfer rate from when we fly to when we get back to the office, it's extremely fast. It's way faster than the old survey methods that we used to use. Absolutely.
With Kespry, you collect accurate survey-grade data with the most automated solution available today.
The plug-and-play nature of the system is really helpful. We don't have to rely on our more complex survey types and abilities. We can do quick surveys, we can do checks, we can just pass the drone around rather than myself or my operator covering a fairly large area that we encompass. So it's nice to be able to just plug and play. It is very user-friendly and easy to operate, and having everything in one package makes life a lot easier.
We were hesitant at first, not really sure what it was going to do for us, but since we have it, there is no way I would go back to not using this.
Yukon Corporation is primarily engaged in the production and sales of aggregate and concrete products.
Before the Kespry system, we measured stockpiles using a laser rangefinder on top of an angle encoder that fed data to a data collector. It was time-consuming and it was inefficient.
You know, the cost savings of the Kespry system to us is significant. Everything's similar. Everything's standard. We can do physical inventories much more often because it's much more cost effective.
It has streamlined our business. It has saved us thousands of dollars every year. It's increased our safety factor.
It saved us a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of wasted material.
In our industry, we don't have anything square. It's always irregular measurements, so guys got to go out there with a wheel, hand measure and write it down, and then go back to the office and try to calc something up. And it takes a long time. Trying to measure that, it's awful. But at least if I have the drone, I can fly that, where it'd take me a week to measure a stockpile, so I did it in 35 minutes. We did a bunch of research on all the drone systems that are out there and the stockpile management. We felt like the Kespry system held the best customer service, and we felt like they had the best product. So the accuracy with Kespry has been awesome. I like that it's simple. I don't need to hit 15 different buttons to get to one thing. If I want to measure area, it's right here. If I want to quantify anything, it's right there. If I want to go to management, it's right there. The information's so fast and a lot safer, and we're already in a dangerous environment working in construction. With Kespry, the time savings allows me to spend more time with my family. Instead of all those winter times going up there and measuring all these stockpiles, I can do it throughout the year and then measure it once during the day, and I'm not gone for a couple weeks. So it's huge to me. I mean, my family's everything. I can have the system, go measure it timely, and then get back to what I'm supposed to be doing, because, I mean, I don't want to be out here 100 hours a week, and I don't have to be because of Kespry.